Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's in Yeovil, and I'm going to show you around this 308 in the Allure specification. So this car comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. You get front and rear parking sensors. Inside the car there's the touchscreen that features sat-nav as well as DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. But on top of this you get dual zone air conditioning, there's automatic headlights, wipers, cruise control, and the car is free to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has two former keepers. It comes with a 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower and has a 6-speed manual gearbox. It's done under 41,500 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Used Car Centre in Yeovil. Thank you.